Installing Happymod on Android devices is not so much hard. It's just steps you need to follow, and I'll see you how to do it. First, you need to go to the settings, security on Android devices. Now here you have to install enable unknown apps option. This will allow you to install apps outside from the Play Store. Now you have to go to the browser and go to the official Happymod website, happymod.com. Here you can find the download button of the home page and tap on it and download the Happymod APK. Once you download it, open the app and now install the Happymod on your device. After installation, open the Happymod app from app drawer. Now you can browse and download the modified version of your favorite apps and games. Remember, Happymod is a third-party app store. It's not available on the Google Play Store, so always download it from the reputable source. Use it with caution as modified app may have security risk, and I'll see you in the next one.